All right, there's something here I want to explain about electrical panels and breakers. It's very important that the type of breaker will match the brand of the panel. In this case, we're talking about square D, that's yellow square. We came to this house and we found out that they had some breakers from Siemens, those breakers. And you can see how they're not sitting all the way inside. The problem with that is the point of contact of electricity is between this guy and the one inside, and since the right breaker fit all the way inside, it comes in complete contact with that. For all this time they were pulling load from a breaker that was hardly touching the contact point. In a bad case scenario, it will arc inside and make sparks until this thing melts and catch on fire. This is why it's very important to keep the same brand breaker matching the panel. Okay, stay safe.